guys, voila, voila, voila. What are you thinking? What are we not thinking? The outfit is dirty, the outfit is popping, the makeup is popping, the wig is popping. Like seriously, you gotta subscribe, okay? Guys, I'm going to be starting up right now. I'm going to do my face as usual. Okay, I'm going to do my face and then I'm going to do my eye look. Alright, are we ready? So yeah, to prime my face, starting up, I already moisturized. Like seriously, you see what happened? You see what happened? Yeah. Anyway guys, to prime my face, I'm going to be taking this Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer face cream. Actually, it's not a face cream. I moisturized my skin off camera already. As you can see, my face is super healthy, and my head of curl, and my nose, my cheek. Well, it's okay. With this primer, I don't need to rub it that much because it's going to give me that it's going to give me pad-rich look. To spray my face using this Makeup Revolution Amazing Setting Spray, very little bit, because at the moment my skin is a bit not dry, it's a bit I don't know how to describe it. It's not dry, but I'm feeling that it's dry. Yeah, I'm going to use my Technique sponge just to, you know, I can't wait. So yeah, because I had to be snappy with now for a couple of days now, which is okay, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to set my face. Before, I'm going to be using the Hudabeauty bakery setting powder. This one is in banana bread on my face, just very tiny bit, not that much, especially my nose and my T-zone and my brow, of course. So yeah, beyond perfecting foundation in the number. So yeah, and to blend in the foundation, I'm going to be taking my Ride or Die foundation brush, which is by NYX Cosmetics. So yeah, this one right here, because it's not bringing that much out, which is also okay, but it's taking time. If I'm not doing a tutorial, it's okay, but when I'm doing a tutorial, I want to be very fast. For now, to be using one foundation. You guys know me, I'm extra always when it comes to makeup. I love my full coverage, okay? So yeah, but today I'm going to be using one foundation like I just said. Let's start blending. Start from one side like I always do and dab, okay? Just dab, don't swipe. That was quite a lot, guys. I don't like when my turtleneck has a foundation. I don't like it, okay? So I just apply around my chin like so, you know, just like so. I would have started this tutorial earlier on, but I was just busy playing and dancing and listening to music. That's my vibe always. Before I do my makeup, I had to play 1 hour before, so I always like to ginger myself before I start doing my makeup. On my pin, so I'm going to do the finish as always. Use my Technique sponge. As you can see, we have a lot of product going away. Yeah, so I'm going to go straight ahead and set my face. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Mercier translucent powder, and this one is in bronze, which is number 4. Take number 1 brush, the one I used to apply my setting powder earlier on. To highlight under my eye, the bridge of my nose in the shade Beautiful Honey. When I apply this concealer under my eye, it's burning. I said it at the beginning when I got this concealer. The shade I was using before, it was Fun, but I didn't have it the time I ordered for it, so I just had to take the available color, which is close to the shade I was using before. So it kind of hurts me, burn me under my eye. I don't know why. Maybe because I apply it closer to my inner corner. It may be, but I don't just know why. Yeah, beautiful bronze, this one right here. I'm going to use this as a contour, okay? knew me. Anyway, let me stop singing. So guys, to blend in my contour, I'm going to be using the Riviera Prime Virgin brush. Today we are going for bronze, brownish makeup look-ish, okay? So as you can tell, this concealer is not too dark, and which is pretty cool. I decided to use it, purposely choose it for this look. Straight ahead, and that is why I love cream contour. As you can see, blend into your skin perfectly, melt. You go there and settle there. I'm going to use my retouching sponge. Go ahead and blend my highlight. So I'm going to be using my foundation brush just to do extra blending for seamlessly flawless blending, okay? Yes, our face is super beautiful right now. I'm going to go ahead and use my Hudabeauty powder, and I'm using my retouching sponge to do that. I'm going to start from my nose. My contour, I'm going to be bronzing my face. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Mocha Miami. So yeah, you guys have seen me a lot use this product because I love it, okay? So I'm going to be using the same brush the one I used to apply my cream contour product. Just going to dab just like so. For my eyebrow, I'm going to be using the Catrice brow pencil in chocolate. I'm just going to clean my brow with that. I'm going to be using my brush, of course, you guys know. Just going to apply just a little bit like so. Go ahead. Taking my no-name brush, I'm just going to be dabbing and blending the concealer into my brow bone. Beautiful bronze, which is by L.agirl. I'm going to be using a darker concealer because we are going for a very brownish makeup-ish eye look. So with this, it's going to make it more brownish, okay? From my brow bone. Girl, I'm going to use the remaining powder on my retouching sponge. I'm just going to do the extra dabbing for small thing, okay? So I'm going to be using the Catrice eyeshadow palette. This is super beautiful, the limited edition palette. Wow, super beautiful, my girl. I'm going to be opening it. Look at how it looks like, super beautiful. So I just had to open it. Let's check it out. It's beautiful. Kind of remind me of Givenchy kits. It's so beautiful. So guys, I'm going to be taking the shade starting. No, not that one. I'm going to be taking this shade right here, light to dark, which is medium brown. I'm going to be applying that direct on my crease. It was my inner corner area. Look how beautiful that is. Wow, it's beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Super cute. And sorry, I didn't mention the brush I'm using. This brush is from Magnificence. It's wiped off. Okay, so the name is wiped off, but I remember the name of the brush. And this palette, or this kit, I'm going to call it kit. It has a little bit of fallout, which is okay. We ain't not mad at all. We ain't gonna work with the palette. Okay, so yeah, you see how beautiful that color is because I use a brown concealer. We are good. So I'm going to be taking this next shade, super dark brown, this one right here. I'm just going to blow that as well. Wow, this is beautiful. People, look, I'm just like freestyle, and I'm even resting my elbow. Is it not elbow, call it? Yeah, I'm resting it on my deck. So you see how freestyle this look is. So yeah, super simple, guys. It's all about blending that your eye looks super chocolate. Okay, it's going to look super chocolate. Even a good explanation, looks super chocolate. It's going to look juicy like a chocolate. Okay, your lid is going to look juicy, not look chocolate. It's burgundy shade. Is that burgundy? Of course it's calling me as a burgundy. It can be a peach color. I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelid. This is really beautiful, guys. The exact look I was wearing on my last video, so I decided to create makeup revolution. So I decided to create this look. I wasn't planning of getting another kit, but I just bumped into it when I went to drugstore today, and then I thought maybe I can give it a try. It's perfect, the same look, the same shade, everything. The reason why I got this kit right here, this little palette, I just like the packaging. Is so beautiful. You know I'm obsessed with Catrice products, you guys know by now. It is insane. I'm going to take that first brownish shade. I'm just going to blend out the edges around. I'm going to be using the same brush. I'm going to be taking this shade right here, this light peach color. I'm just going to use it to blend everything out because I don't want my brow bone to be too dark. So yeah, you see that? Just bring life. Just bring life. Just bring life. To line my waterline, just my waterline, okay. To be taking the same brush, the one I used to apply my lid color. I'm just going to take this shade. I'm just going to apply it on my bottom lashes. I'm just basically smoking it out, but I'm not blending. I'm just kind of press it just a very tiny bit, and at the same time just do a little bit of blending very softly. As I love this palette, but the fallout is crazy. The fallout is crazy. The fallout is not something to joke with. Check out the fallout. Check the fallout. Coffee is good. Black coffee. This thing we have under our eye, okay? I'm just going to go ahead. Oh, I'm moving. Now we need to blush our cheeks. I'm going to be taking the A.B.H blush palette. This one is called Berry Trio. I'm taking this brush by BEAUTYARTIST. I'm just going to do it like so. Be taking the O.v.s illuminator highlighter, and I'm going to be taking my BH cosmetic brush. I'm going to start from my chin. Spray. Black coffee, good. So L'Oreal X Carl. I'm going to leave the picture right here. It's Karl Lagerfeld. Maybe you guys know it. So I'm going to leave the name right here in the picture as well, so you guys can really know the person who I'm talking about. So yeah, I'm just going to voluminize my lashes. Let's see how it's going to turn up, how it's going to transfer my lashes. Of course, my bottom lashes is everything to me when it comes to mascara. Yeah, no problem. When my bottom lashes is popping, ain't got no problem, trust me. When it's not popping, we got some problem right here. Okay, but let's try this. Okay, no harm in trying. While my lashes is getting tacky, let me just go ahead and apply my upper lashes mascara. Okay, it's not bad. Check my lashes, are they popping out? I'm going to be setting my eyebrows using the O.v.s transparent brow gel. Raising my bottom lashes upwards, but when I just open my eye like this, it's going to stain, and I'm not going to be applying mascara. Rather, I'm just going to mess under my eye. My lips, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline lip liner in copper brown. To be taking the Maybelline liquid lipstick, and this one is in Rebel. Are you a rebel? Don't be a rebel. Beautiful color. This palette about the lipstick, about the vavavoom of this makeup ish. Okay, stay tuned.